Hey everyone, welcome back. I came to CVS to grab some deals for the sales week of February 28th through March 6th. I got a few different CRTs on 2 of my accounts that I have not been getting CRTs except the same 5. So I got like 6. They're all different. I did not get any of the same 5 that I have been previously getting for like 6 weeks. And I'm not going to use any of these, to be honest. And also on my second account, they're the same exact that I got on the other one. I'm not going to use any of these either. And then on the account that I just started, I had a 3 off of 3 and a 5 off of 30 baby care, and I'm actually going to use this one. And then CVS gave me a 5 off of a $10 purchase and a $1 extra buck that I just sent to this card. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some deals. Not very much today. I'm going to try to spend $5 or less out of pocket for all the items that I plan to get. The Love Beauty and Planet this week are spend 20, get 10 with a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up 4 of these, priced at $9.29. 4 of them is going to bring me to $37.16. I'm going to use 2 of these buy one get one free that came in Sunday's insert. That's going to take off $18.58. I also have a 4 off of 2 digital and a $1.50 off of 1 digital that I'm hoping will glitch and come off. That'll leave me to pay $13.08 in the store. I'll get back a $10 extra care buck. Plus, this is over $30 in beauty products, so I will get back a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours, making 4 of these just 8 cents or 2 cents each. CoverGirl this week is spend 15, get a $7 extra care buck. Pick up one of these foundations priced at $8.49, and then I'm going to come over here and pick up an eyeliner priced at $7.99. Both of these products are going to bring me to $16.48. I have a $3 off of 1 CoverGirl eye digital, and then I'm going to use this $3 off of 1 that I printed from coupons.com, and this $3 off of 15 cosmetic CRT. That's going to take off $9 from my $16.48, leaving to pay $7.48. I'll get back a $7 extra care, making my final cost for both of these items just 48 cents. Revlon this week is spend 12, get $4 extra care buck. Come down here and pick up a foundation for $11.79. This is within the 98% rule to print that $4 extra care buck. So I'm going to use the $4 off instant that printed last week for everybody at the Redbox machine, and this $4 off of 1 Revlon face that I printed from coupons.com. We do have $3 manufacturer coupons if you're not able to print this, but my total, I'm going to take off $8, pay $3.79, get back that $4 extra care buck, making this free and a 21-cent moneymaker. These CVS Ultra Soft toddler wipes are priced at $1.69. I still have the digital on one of my accounts for $2 off, so the digital will drop down, making these completely free. I also still have the digital for $2 off of a CVS Health tampon pads or liners. These are priced at $1.29. That digital will drop down, making these free also. This is going to be my first transaction. Subtotal before coupons is $68.41. I have $44.06 in coupons and in CRTs. I'll be left to pay $24.35, get back $21 in extra care bucks. Plus, I spent $65.43 in beauty in this transaction, which will get me a $6 beauty buck within 48 hours. Transaction, all the items that I just showed you guys. So all of my manufacturer coupons went through. Both of the Love Beauty and Planet did glitch and come off. My $3 off of the eye CoverGirl coupon came off. All of my CRTs that I use, these are app-only coupons. And then I rolled $23 in extra care bucks, paid $135 plus tax on a Fetch Rewards gift card. I had a 98% savings, $67.06, and then I did get back the $10 extra care buck for the Love Beauty Planet, $7 for the CoverGirl, and $4 for the Revlon. And then these are some of the CRTs they gave me this week on this account, which are CVS or Beauty 360, vitamins. I don't plan to use any of those. So I spent, like I mentioned, $63.43 in beauty in this transaction. Most of that was a Love Beauty Planet. So within 48 hours, I should get back that $6 beauty buck, making this transaction completely free and a $2.65 moneymaker. I'm going to repeat the Revlon deal on my second account. This is priced at $11.79. I have a $4 off of 1 digital. I also sent that $4 off instant coupon that printed last week to my card. I will pay $3.79, get back the 4, making it free and a 21-cent moneymaker. So I planned to do the Love Beauty Planet on my second account, but my store only has 1 more bottle. I'm not going to be able to do that deal at this store, but I'm going to do the spend 20, get 5. I'm going to pick up a Tide laundry packs our pods at $4.94 and use this $2 off of one that came in the March P&G. And then I'm going to grab the Tide liquid right here for $5.94 and use the 2 off of 1 from the March P&G. I'm going to split up the transaction because I'm going to do the deal again and grab a second one to get me to that $20 to get 5. So I'm going to do this one in the second transaction with the Revlon by itself, and then we'll go over that receipt. I did the Tide laundry pods, the Tide liquid, and then the Revlon in one, and then I did the Tide pods and the Tide liquid on a separate so that I could use those P&G coupons. I rolled on this transaction $10 in extra care bucks and paid 67 cents on a Fetch Rewards gift card. On this one, I rolled $6 in extra care bucks, paid 88 cents on a Fetch Rewards gift card. So together, both of these totaled me $17.55 subtotal. I got back the $5 for spending $20, and then I got back the $4 for the Revlon. That makes this transaction for the 4 Tide products and the Revlon a $8.55, which is quite a bit out of pocket. Breakdown for all of these will be in the Google Doc. So I'm going to do the Pampers and I think the Revlon deal one more time because this CRT does expire today, and then that'll be my final transaction here at CVS. This week, Pampers are buy 3, get a $10 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Pampers Swaddlers size 4. Both of these are attaching to the Ibotta rebate for $3 back on each one and $1.50 back on each one. So I'm going to pick up 2 for $19.98. I have a $3 off of 2 digital. These ninjamas are included in this buy 3 get a 10. So I'm going to pair in one of these for $9.99. I have a $3 off of 1 digital for this item. Total for these 3 items is going to be $29.97. I'm going to use the 5 off of 30 because it is within the 98% rule, and then I'm going to use the $3 off of 2 digital for the Pampers, the $3 off of 1 digital for the ninjamas. I'll be left to pay $18.97. I'll get back the $10 extra care buck for spending $30, and then I'll get back $9 on Ibotta for the Pampers, making these products completely free. So here are the last 2 transactions. Here are the Pampers and the ninjamas. I had the digital coupons. I had a 5 off of $10 purchase that I used instead of the 5 off of 30. I'm sure we'll have a Pamper deal next week, so I'm going to save this and use this next week. I should have used the 5 off of 10 on the Revlon, but I did not. So my total between extra care bucks that I rolled and subtotal that I paid out of pocket was $18.97. I did get back the $10 extra care buck. And then I will put on the screen right here the $9 back from Ibotta. That makes these Pampers completely free. And then the Revlon right here was a 21-cent moneymaker, $3.79 plus tax, and I got back the $4 extra care buck. Final cost for everything that I picked up, all 18 items, the Pampers, the Tide, the Love and Beauty, the makeup products. My first transaction was a $2.65 moneymaker. My second transaction was a cost of $8.55. And then my third transaction, which included these and the Revlon foundation, was a 21-cent moneymaker. That makes everything I picked up today, all 18 items, a final cost of $5.69. That's not a bad deal. I'm pretty happy with all the items that I grabbed. I might stop at another CVS and do the Love Beauty Planet deal again because 4 bottles will cost me 8 cents with the coupons that I have and the beauty buck coming back to me. There will be a Google Doc link down below in the description box. I also have that Publix gift card giveaway going on still that will end on Wednesday. So if you guys are interested in joining that, go ahead and check out that video. That'll also be linked down in the description box. If the giveaway winner doesn't get back to me by the time I get the end of this video up, I will post right here the new winner of the giveaway for the $25 Walmart gift card or the gift card of your choice, because that person still has not got back to me. I gave them a little bit longer. 48 hours was up yesterday. So by the time I'm done editing this video, if that person doesn't get back to me, I will put that new winner right here. And in the description box will be the email for the new winner to contact me within 48 hours. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.